Here in the Philippines, some people is so friendly and very nice also culture. You has been here in the Philippines? You been here in the Philippines? The winter here is good also. No winter here in the Philippines. I don't know. I want to visit soon. Yeah, you can go here and vacation in the Philippines, but the weather is good. The place, some of the tourist view here is very nice. Especially Boracay, Palawan. But that place I don't have been because I don't have money to go around. What month is good to visit? Summer. Like summer here start in the Philippines, March to April. Yeah, March to April. Good to visit here in the Philippines. Summertime. Three people in the house. Migi love shout out. Wala, nagadikit na naman ako. Ano ba yan? Ang hina ng ano natin. Oh, okay. I try to come there in April. Yes, April, you can try. Oh my gosh. It's not good. My internet is not good. Yes, my camera is not good. Stopping. We can just hear you. What's going on? Yeah, I don't know what's happening to my camera. Always like this. You can hear me, guys? What's going on?